I noticed a little leaking last year, and it's this cylinder right here. You can see it dripping. It's definitely increased. So this is not good. Now when it's in the up position, then it stops leaking, but the problem is we can't have this. So I'm gonna have to do some investigation. One of the problems is what probably caused this, well, besides it's old, but right in here underneath, stuff builds in there, and then it rusted the bottom side of this cylinder a little bit. So I think that's some of the cause that probably made it worse. But maybe it just needs rebuilding anyways, rebuilding or replacement. So I need to investigate this, and then see what's the best route to get it fixed. But it definitely is leaking. Right now I got it in the back position, and that's when it's leaking. So I do have a job I want to do with the lift, so hopefully I'll be able to keep it in the upright position and not have it leaking. But I need to start investigating this and see if we can make some calls. So we'll come back to this. I'm not sure when, but we will come back to it.